is Evergreen Speedway, playing host to round 6 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship Throwdown.
Pierre, what are you doing?
What's up?
Getting some fresh fronts on here for our practice session, so we have them nice and scrubbed in for tomorrow, because it does take like a lap or two to really get them going. You know, you can push them in the burnout box all you want, but until you get some full speed on those things,
Yeah, dude.
that's when they get settled in.
Push them around, get them hot.
Yeah, so now it's going good. What's up, everybody? Yeah, cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a break until our next practice session. We got about 30 minutes going so that we can check out the car, make sure things are good. What you got, girl?
You to sign a little helmet.
Oh, that's the cutest little helmet I ever saw. It doesn't fit. Oh,
Oh, no.
that's just a silicone thing. We don't need that.
We'll put it back in, you know.
Yep.
Gotta make sure there's no.
All right. What is that? Is that for you? That doesn't even fit your head.
I have that at home.
Doesn't? You have one too?
But I do need you to sign all these, honey.
Okay, will do. All right, I'm working. I'm getting to work here. Yeah, what we're doing here, we're like reviewing some in-car, how our car compares to others, as well as how the other competitors are comparing to each other. Because I did not get a chance to run with my competitor tomorrow, who's Castro, and he's looking pretty good out there, right? But the few guys that I chase, and we're getting a lap time and how it compares to Castro, so I understand what kind of pace he's carrying and if we need to try to add more grip into the car or not. But yeah, so Nate's taking notes on the entry style. Some people will do a feint in, some people go straight in, some people go really fast straight and e-brake in, so it kind of slows the car up. The different approaches definitely yield a different initiation, but the gapping is what changes.
That's the hard part too, like as a spotter, because it's like, hey, he's doing this on average, but
Yeah.
what if he doesn't that time?
And he didn't that time.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. He
So
was
it's like-
e-braking, and I was expecting to e-brake again, but he rolled and clutched in, and he put 2 lengths on me. So it's like, I'm not saying he's playing games as much as trying things out, but it's like, it makes it difficult for us to like, you know, nail.
Well, the drivers get more comfortable.
Yeah.
So it's like, maybe they're e-braking in the morning, and now we're getting to the last session, and they're just like full on sending it.
Yeah.
2 different results.
Yep. There we
The
go.
Hot Wheels to sign.
All right, very, very good. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is gonna be hard. I got it.
I got it.
Thanks, man.
I got this amazing new Hot Wheels Forsberg inspired shirt. Look at this back.
Yep, pretty damn cool.
Yeah, I'm into it.
You guys even know what you're doing? Don't look at that.
No. Did you ask if we knew what we were doing?
Yeah.
No.
No?
We
Okay,
do.
we're trying.
Nope.
God damn, man. Am I fucking good or am I fucking good?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. That's the difference.
Leave it there. Or you want to go a little bit more?
People do it there. That.
Do you want to spin these rears up and then spin the left front more?
No. That right rear is way too high already. Right? Scalpel.
You. Surgery was a success.
Successful surgery.
Patient didn't make it.
Swapping out those aluminum arms for the steel ones. Whoop, dropping stuff. Or I should say swapping out the steel for the aluminum.
We got a packed house. It's pretty much sold out. So if you see a little space in between it, yeah, it's sweaty, but we're ready. We're ready to party. That's right.
Day 2, Saturday, main day, and feeling good. Car's already gone. Sending out for the first practice session. People already coming in, stopping by. Liz ripping the booth. We got a nice setup this time. We have, we got some clearance shirts. We got our merch all set up, ready to go for the day.
Liz rocking it. We have a couple clearance items out there on the rack that we have from, you know, leftover random sizes, random shirts that we brought out to make some extra deals for you guys. But yeah, make sure if you aren't able to make it to the event, you can always hop online at shop.forsbergracing.com and check out our latest shirts, like this all new Hot Wheels inspired Forsberg Racing shirt. Yeah. And then now we even have our new Nismo hats. Yeah. So yeah, check it out.
Saturday's going good. We're just getting the car dialed in, going through it, making sure we're all set for the day. Feeling absolutely rock solid. Our leads are good, our chases are good, car's on pace. You can bring it, you know? Yeah, I haven't felt this good coming off of practice in a minute. So we threw some more at the car last night. The guys put some good effort in, and I gave them a couple setup suggestions that I wanted to try, and they're paying off.
I mean, this is somebody who will eventually get into the Formula Drift Hall of Fame. Here goes Chris Forsberg in that energy drink. Nissan, Nismo Auto Parts, all new Z, and look at Castro. He is applying the pressure. Oh, look at that pulling wheel. That is unlike what I've seen from Forsberg before. That big, long suspension there, working all of it into that front flip. Nice job wrapping that thing like Rap Legends. And look at Castro. Yo, what a battle. What a battle. Stomp your feet, Seattle. Make some noise. Let them know you're here. Here are those Seattle fans cheering for their favorite driver. Castro is a Forsberg. Who's moving on to 16? Castro locked and loaded in that all-new Toyota GR86, all-new Z. Great-looking cars. Now, oh, Castro way overshoots it, overcooks it, burns the meatloaf. Unfortunately, forced an error. To be honest, Forsberg doesn't even need to complete this run because Castro made that major mistake out front. Drift Alliance, OG, the wreath be rocking. And there it is. Castro gets the win. Castro unanimously gets the win.
So it is the end of the event, and I gotta say, not too stoked. We were feeling rock solid, 100%. They were some of the best leads and follows that I've done on a Saturday morning practice all year long. The car was dialed. The changes that we made last night really lined it up. We're pressing it on people in the chase position and all the right spots. Going into our 32 battle, can't say I agree with the outcome. And yes, I know that's easy to say when you are at the loss, right? I'm gonna do a whole breakdown on my next video. There's just a lot of things at play that show that it could have been A, avoided, and B, called the other direction based on, you know, what transpired.
Forsberg was chasing Castro. The way we looked at it is Forsberg came in with a little bit too much aggression, got into Castro a little bit. There was a bump there, and that pushed Castro off the track, and that's why we ended up going with giving it to Castro there.
There have been different situations earlier in this year that conflict with the decisions that were made today in a similar setting. Obviously not the same, nothing is ever the same, but very similar. So we'll talk about that next time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Felt great. Thought we were gonna be on the box today. Best we felt all year in the car, so I know it's not us. See you guys next time. Castro, what you do?
So after something happened, now I'm asking you for a favor. Like, right at it, I'm getting out of the gate with Connor. I couldn't put third. Trying to maybe seat it. Didn't want to work. Fourth, didn't want to work. I missed a whole bunch, and then on my lead, it was just so hard to put it on. So definitely something going on.
Yeah, well, best thing to do is swap the box, brother.
That's why we have the called drifters that are passionate like you.
Yeah, man.
Just pivot.
Yeah. No, it should be the same.
It should be
the same.
That's what I was thinking.
It's the full setback. Ours is full setback.
Yeah,
It is. So, Manoa.
check it. Check. Where's your back piece? So check my. I think it's the same. I know it is the same.
So just to fill you in, so Castro broke his transmission running Connor in his top 16 battle, and he ran over, asked if we had a spare. do, of course. And it's looking like that ours is going to be a direct swap for him. So brought a transmission out. We're throwing ours in his car. It's rebuilt, ready to go, brand new. So, you know, like I said, no hard feelings on Castro. My boy is a good dude. Just some of the procedures that we have out here at the events. So, yeah, going to get him back out there.